Listing of Shiba Inu on Robinhood can boost the price to hit all-time high, but Robinhood has still not given any sign for Shiba Inu listing. However, before that, we got another major listing on one of the biggest exchange in Asia. How is this listing affecting a Shiba Inu's price? Well, this put more pressure on Robinhood to list SHIB, and most importantly, should we hold buy or sell? These questions will be answered today. We will also analyze how 72% of Shiba holders are in profit. So let's get started. In the light of the significant growth predicted in cryptocurrency over the next few years, Shiba has the potential to make millionaires. Shiba Inu, the Doge killer, is now the marquee's new trends of cryptocurrency. This meme cryptocurrency with the Shiba Inu dog as its logo follows Dogecoin path to be the best alternative to the latter. As the latest on the market, SHIB receives enormous attention and emerges as an investor's favorite choice, particularly because of the recent drop in crypto markets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Investors' interest in knowing whether Shiba Inu could be a millionaire coin with its growing popularity. The highly volatile market for the Shiba Inu token is now showcasing a way too much momentum, leaving the investor to strategize their investment portfolio, which is a good sign for those who are already ready to take risks because the advancement of the token is deemed to be higher. However, as a matter of fact, the coin is bound to come down after an exponential rise. On the bright side, we expect the coin to continue its steady growth rate for now. Moving further, one of India's leading cryptocurrency exchanges has added SHIB trading to its retail-oriented app. Shiba Inu briefly became one of the most traded crypto assets a couple of weeks back when its price reached yet another all-time high. Leading cryptocurrency exchange Coin DCX recently announced that they are listing Shiba Inu on the retail-oriented Coin DCX application. This leaves intense pressure on Robinhood to list most traded crypto ever on their platform as well. Not only this, in the last 4 days, the Shiba Inu network received 40,000 new holders into the network, which was followed by a relatively positive week for SHIB on the cryptocurrency market. The number of Shiba Inu holders is coming even closer to the long-awaited number of 1 million holders in total by breaking to 970,000 investors keeping their funds in the meme-based token. According to a TradingView, the majority of large cryptocurrencies went through a correction cycle. Shiba, on the other hand, showed a 12% price increase in the middle of the week. But then, unfortunately, it went through a correction by losing 8%, which puts in the neutral zone with almost 0% growth in the previous week. While the market price of Shiba Inu has not yet reflected the strong network growth, it is still a strong signal that SHIB's fundamental background is growing, which is a more important factor in the long term. Despite meme cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu is experiencing increased price volatility in recent days. A majority of the token holders are still in profit. According to an chain data provided by Into the Block.com, 72% of SHIB wallet addresses are making money at the token's price of $0.000051 by press time. Furthermore, only 70% of holders are not making a profit on their initial SHIB investment. They are possible late investors who bought the coin when the value plunged from the recent all-time high. Notably, buying it low presents an opportunity of profiting once prices begin to surge. Further, recently cinema chain AMC is considering accepting Shiba Inu as payment in its theaters. US theater chain AMC is considering expanding the cryptocurrencies it currently accepts, exploring adding Shiba Inu to its accepted cryptocurrencies, which include Bitcoin and Dogecoin. AMC also announced today that it may create its own cryptocurrency. AMC CEO Adam Aron confirmed that the company is integrating Shiba Inu as a payment option for booking tickets and availing of other services. The news comes just a week after Aaron conducted a Twitter poll asking whether they should add Shiba Inu along with Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. The poll saw a total of 153,100 votes. Out of SHIB, 81% were cast in favor of SHIB. I can confirm today that we have been exploring with third parties over the past few months both how we can accept cryptocurrency and if it is possible for AMC to consider even launching our own cryptocurrency. Aaron said. Similarly, I can confirm to you today that we are now in conversation with multiple major Hollywood studios about the accept of John. Would you like to use your Shiba Inu holdings to watch movies? Do share your thoughts in comment section down below. What can a SHIB holder accept in 2021? Will the price go up or fall down? Let's continue and analyze Shiba Inu price prediction for Shiba Inu in this last quarter of 2021. Almost every crypto experts and analysts are bullish towards Shiba Inu, not just because of Shiba Inu hype on social media, but due to the upcoming Robinhood listing and developers project like NFT game, Play to Earn, own blockchain, and a Ryoshi token. That all too in this last quarter. According to FX Street News, Shiba Inu price can rally up to 1,000 Satoshi units this month to cut 10 out of its price. If this happens, this will definitely be a new all-time high of the Shiba Inu coin and the holders waiting with millions of tokens in their wallets. This will be the start for them. According to our prediction, Shiba Inu can easily cut 10 out of its price with a Robinhood listing and will hit 1000 Satoshi units easily. As burn process will take time, but it is confirmed that SHIB is going to bounce soon in this quarter. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.